Hi, I'm Vibha Jain. I'm 27 years old and I slipped my ankle and I fell off. I got my MRI and X-ray done as per the normal doctor procedures, and I came in contact with Dr. Uddhav at Nanavati, who suggested me Dr. Pradeep Moonot to get a checkup done. Then when I came here, he suggested that I've got an Achilles tendon tear, which required surgery. And I think after 4 days itself, he freed his entire schedule and I got my surgery done at Nanavati itself on 13th of August 2025. The surgery was, I think, the most excited aura. I won't lie, because everyone was laughing. We were creating jokes because I was half awake. It was very nice. It went on very smoothly. I think they've utilized a new filament, I think, called as Zeros, which is never used for the injury that I have, right? So other than that, I think after that, post 7 days, I came again to him and everything seemed very seamless, and that nothing has happened to my stitches as such. And I think Dr. Yash, Dr. Kunal, I'm forgetting the other, I think Dr. Sagar. Yeah, sorry if I do forget names. So everyone was very smooth with me. They have suggested me all the medicines, especially Dr. Yash. So I was very confused on, okay, am I supposed to eat? Am I not supposed to drink? He's always been very active in responding to all my queries. And I had a 3-week cast. I think after that, after the 3 weeks, I came back here and the cast came off and everything went well. So I think it has been a very smooth journey with Dr. Pradeep Moonot and his team. Yeah. So post the cast off, I have been advised to get extensive physiotherapy or else my ankle will go back to the original state that it was within another Achilles tendon tear. And I think Dr. Anand, if I'm not wrong, no. Anish, sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry for the wrong names, but he has been very strict, honest, and very to the point with the exercises. The first impression that I had of him was that how was I able to just, jump on this pet when I came for the first time. So his exercises have been very interesting, very extensive, and it's been a very smooth experience, which I always wanted to have. Yeah, other than that, my own experiences, I just want to walk normally now because I'm tired of traveling. But yeah, that is it. So I'm very happy with MKFDC. Yeah.